Hi guys, today, as you saw, we're playing Don't Press the Button, and looks like we're going straight into it with the parkour. Those bits always get me for some reason. I don't know why though. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. The reason I have to keep moving my camera is my screen keeps going automatically up again. Oh yeah, I know this bit. Oh, I think it blows you up if you stay on it. Loud rise and hurry, get to the top. Oh no, I know I'm gonna, no. I know this bit. Come on, come on. I'm so close to the lava. Didn't even make it to the top either. But at least I won. It's raining meteors from out of the sky. Meteors. I'm gonna try to push that guy off. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Maybe I can lure him into mine. Don't fall off. Oh, God damn it. Doges. Yes. Ooh. Survive the lava spinner. I feel like this is from Plants vs Zombies. That's really laggy. You jump, but then it lags forward. That's just weird. See the way it does that? Okay, I think I'm gonna be able to do this time. Come on. Ah. It's so hard to do it when you have to keep moving your camera and do parkour at the same time. Yeah, I know I'm gonna do it this time. Come on. Yes, yes, yes. I finished the obby and I'm proud. Yay. What can I buy in the shop? Speed coil? No. Hey look, my brother's here. Yay. Now we're twins. Only we look the complete opposite. This game recently got the update as well, or an update. So some of this stuff is new for me. Playing Minecraft. Oof. Oh no, what's this? What? Oh no, no. I didn't get to participate in it. Oh. Mission failed. We'll get him next time. This is also from Battle Blocks here. I wonder if I can time it perfectly with that guy's one. Aww. I just know I'm gonna be able to do it this time. In fact, I'm gonna go for 2 times. What happens if you do it 2 times? You get like a double sign. Although it wouldn't show. Do you get a badge or do you get nothing? No. Oh. It's not fair. I could have done it. Move! Okay, well, that guy tried to move, but the bacon hair just stood there on it. And that's gonna be it for this video. Bye! Make sure to like and subscribe.